Hello, my name is Jonah.
I'm Isaac.
And I'm Guy.
And this is our CPE133 Final Project, a metronome. Now you may be wondering, what in the world is a metronome? Well, the last time you went to a concert, did you ever wonder how all the musicians played together, not one playing faster than the others or one playing slower? Most likely, they had something that they were listening to, an audio version of a metronome. The two main components of a metronome are the beats per minute and the beats per measure. The beats per minute is, well, how many beats you get every minute. So 120 beats per minute is 2 beats a second. And beats per measure is, as you can see, we have 4 beats and 1 strong beat. So it's basically saying, how often do you get a strong beat? Now, how did we calculate how often to emit a beat? We used the system clock to generate a tick every 1 millisecond, and then we took that tick, and with some division, we would generate another signal at the appropriate time for every beat. And then with that signal, we would feed it into the front end, which would generate the LEDs, as you see.
And what on the 7-segment display is showing right now is our BPM, and we have it defaulted to 120. And this switch is our data selector, and we could choose between displaying the BPM or the beats per measure. So all our LEDs are flashing at the same time on every downbeat, and the middle LED is just flashing on every regular beat. And we can switch it back to BPM, and Isaac is going to explain our other button inputs.
So we have 5 operating buttons here. The left and right buttons are to adjust the BPM. So you can see hitting the left button is going to decrease it, which you may notice as we decrease the BPM, the rate at which these lights are flashing will be decreasing. And then also as we increase it, then the rate that the lights will be flashing is increasing. The top and bottom buttons are to adjust the beats per measure. So if we increase the beats per measure, you'll see that now there will be 5 regular beats followed by 1 downbeat, and then we can decrease it. We can even set it to 1 downbeat. This is our reset switch right here, so if I just flip this, you'll see that the beats per measure goes back to 4, and then our beats per minute goes back to 120, and then this middle button right here is our start stop. If we press that, that will continue our BPM at this reset value. So to recap, all of our inputs are left right is to adjust the BPM, top bottom is to adjust the beats per measure, and then this is our reset switch right here, and like Kai was saying, this is to adjust the display.